Yes, welcome to Excel Master TZ, where you will learn advanced techniques in Microsoft Excel to enhance your data analysis and reporting skills, from pivot tables to complex formulas. This channel offers step-by-step tutorials and practical tips to help you become an Excel expert. Join our community and elevate your spreadsheet games or your spreadsheet skills. Yes, today I will teach you how to use multiplication or how to multiply data in Excel. Multiplication, we use always star sign. We use star. This one with this one in multiplication. So I want to multiply the data which is in column G by data which is in H, in column H. By do so, enter right equal sign, then click on this one times this one. After that, press enter. Then I have done with this formula, and to take or to copy the formula in other cells, I have to drag. I will drag after that. But also I can add some condition by using if condition. By using if condition, I can add condition in my formula. Yes, I can say if the data which is in G2 is nothing, if G2 and and H2 is equal to nothing. This sign means nothing. Is equal to nothing, comma, leave space. Also leave space, it means nothing. So if G2 and H2 there is no data or is nothing, also leave space. Otherwise take G2 times H2. After that, press or enter, press enter sign, then drag. Yes, now this formula is working. As you can see here, in this cell and this cell there is no data, so also I have nothing in this cell. I have nothing, as you can see. Also, if I remove data in this cell, as you can see, yes, so that is. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Welcome to the next video.